Hi everyone, I'm bringing you somewhere that I have not been for a long time, and the place is Jurong Bird Park. This park has been here since 1971, so it's close to almost, this year will be 51 years. So let's go in and let's see what is there for us to see. It's been a while. Let's go. It's drizzling. It's in the morning and it's drizzling. So yeah. Okay, we're going towards the entrance. You have to buy tickets, of course. Yay, the sun is coming out. Yes, that's good. I'm here in the morning. It's 8:30 in the morning right now. So, and it's a weekday. So, yes, that is good. Time to go in. Oh, there's a cafe over here. So, if you're hungry, you can have your breakfast here before going into the bird park. Okay, we have the penguins. There they are. They're so cute. Not more there. These are the American flamingos. A very nice color, huh? Orangey. Look at this. They're such a nice color, bright color, orange. Bright orange color. There are a lot. And they always stay close to each other, huh? They don't move away from each other. Interesting to see. Birds of a feather flock together, as the saying goes, right? Just now we saw what they call it greater flamingos. This is called lesser flamingos. Not sure why they call them greater and lesser. Maybe because of their size. Okay, here are the hawks. So these hawks have all retired from the show. So this is their retirement home. You can see there's some more inside there. Ooh, there's one up close over here. And this is... among the pelicans, the Dalmatian pelican has the longest wingspan of all the pelicans. Wow, that is interesting, isn't it? Parrot paradise. Look at, oh wow. Hi there. Hi there. Hello. Look at him, just looking at me, staring at me. So the other one. Hi there. Boy, are you noisy? What? 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 So noisy. Okay, I'm leaving. Alright, I'm going. Look at this macaw. What are you trying to do? Trying to come out? Kookaburra. Oh, this is the laughing kookaburra. Hello. Nothing funny to laugh at, huh? Hello. Okay, everyone. These that we're looking at, they are the great green macaw, red-fronted macaw, and scarlet macaw. Look at that. The colorful ones, the red, yellow, blue, those are the scarlet macaw. And of course behind is the great green macaw. And we have the red-fronted macaw. I guess the behind. So this is what we have. Hello! Are they kissing? Okay, gotta go guys. We are going into the waterfall aviary, everyone. I wonder what is inside. Oops. Oh, okay. Oh, this is nice. So this is where you get to be close to the birds. Wow, this is really close. Hi there. Making my way through. Not doing anything, guys. Hi there. Woo. I'm really beginning to feel like I'm in Jurassic Park movie. Look at this. It's a nice feeling. I don't know, it just feels so nice. Wow. So white peacock, everyone. Excuse me. They are counted. Ah, look at all those peacocks. So beautiful. Look at the blue color. Isn't it beautiful? The blue color neck that goes to the body. And then there's one more over there. Sitting up. Isn't this nice? Yep. Just now we were below there, and now we are here. Now we are here. Waterfall aviary. Okay, I have made it to the observation post. What can you see here? Ah, so we are closer to the waterfall. Must be cold, the water. Look at where. Don't feel that I am in Singapore. Okay, now we are going to the lorry loft. 8:30. So there's different types of lorry. All this. Get ready to be attacked. Here we go. Ah, it's beautiful. Woo. Oh, there's one here. Climbing up. Okay, what's this? Whoa. Okay. Slowly making my way around them. I am not trying to do anything to you guys. See how free they are. Oh, there's a cockatoo. enjoying himself, enjoying itself. Ooh. I'm done with Jurong Bird Park. So do come to Jurong Bird Park when you're in Singapore, or for those of you who are in Singapore, do come and give a visit before they move to Mandai. For those of you who will be coming to Singapore, do come to Jurong Bird Park. And for those of you who are in Singapore, do come and give Jurong Bird Park a visit before they move to Mandai. So thank you for watching to the end. I'll see you in the next video, everyone. See ya!